All right, three things I'm going to share in this video are how you can use a website question slide in Pear Deck to embed a YouTube video within your Pear Deck session, how to edit the URL of the YouTube video to begin playing that YouTube video at a specific time, and lastly, an example in context for how this could look in an asynchronous Pear Deck session. Teacher hat. All right, with our teacher hat on, I'm going to show you how to get that YouTube video embedded into your Pear Deck. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to find a YouTube video. I found this one. It's an awesome video, great channel, Smarter Every Day, lots of great science, STEM stuff. I'm going to click the share button underneath the video, and then I'm going to click the copy button, okay? And then I'm going to go to the Pear Deck toolbar in the slides presentation, and I'm going to choose the website type of Pear Deck question slide. So next I'm going to go ahead, right click, and I'm going to paste in the address, and you'll notice it shows an error. So this first step is going to show you how to get rid of that error. So I'm going to select here up until that slash, and then I'm going to type in youtube.com/embed, E-M-B-E-D. And you'll notice there it is. You do it correctly. You should see the preview thumbnail of your video. Click Update Slide, and then we will take off our teacher hat, put on the student hat to see what it looks like from the student side. Student hat. All right, with my student hat on, this is what it looks like. I'm running the session asynchronously, and as a student here, I can click play. The video plays right here within the Pear Deck. No need to click out, open a new tab, and add another possibility for distractions. So we'll go ahead and take off the student hat, put the teacher hat back on, and then I will show you what you can do to start the video or force a start of the video at a specific time that you have in mind. So take off that student hat and put on our teacher hat. Teacher hat. All right, from the teacher's perspective here, an 18-minute YouTube video is way too long. So I know that there's a section of this video, having watched it earlier, there's a section of the video that starts right around the 3-minute, 33-second mark where the team is making some predictions. And I had already had my students make some predictions. So I want the kids to watch from the 3-minute, 33-second mark to the about 4:45 mark. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ensure that my students start right here at the 3-minute, 33-second mark. And to do that, I'm going to go to my slide where I inserted that website question type in Pear Deck. And then I'm going to reopen it. And then I'm going to show you a little hack that you can do that will allow you to force the YouTube video to start at that timestamp. So here in the URL, I'm going to add a little bit of text. I'm going to add a question mark and then an and symbol. And then I'm going to write start and then an equal sign. And then I'm going to tell Pear Deck and YouTube to start the video at the 3-minute, 33-second point. So I need to change that to seconds. That's the 213-second mark. So when I update the slide, I can't really tell that this change has been put into place. So we're going to take off the teacher hat, put back on the student hat, and make sure that things look like they should. And that video starts right at the 3-minute, 33-second mark. Student hat. All right, so now to make sure that this works, we put our student hat on, and I started the Pear Deck session asynchronously, and I clicked the play button, and sure enough, the video starts right at the 3-minute, 33-second mark. So the next little bit of this video, I'm going to show you a little bit more of a built-out sequence of how this looks with the student hat on, and show you how you can add some text to the slide as the teacher, what that looks like as the student, and then a follow-up Pear Deck slide from the student end. All right, so here is the video that starts just at the 3-minute, 33-second mark, just like my teacher had intended. And now I can see that my teacher also had added some text to this slide. And as a student, I have some instructions here of how my teacher wants me to interact with this video. Okay, now again, as the student, I can see that I have another slide here. And on this slide, my teacher added another interactive Pear Deck type slide where I need to move my flag as the student to where I think my prediction was based on what I saw in the video that my teacher has kind of pared down and whittled down to the most critical stuff. So again, this is just a little bit more context and how you could use this in the classroom. In summary, so to recap, we learned how to use the website question slide type in Pear Deck to embed a YouTube video within your Pear Deck session, how you can edit the URL of the YouTube video to begin playing a YouTube video at a specific time. And I also showed from the student perspective an example in context for how this could look in an asynchronous Pear Deck session. Hope this helps. Shoot me an email if you need any help, and look forward to future collaboration. Thanks.